How to change username in Snapchat? Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So once you are in the home page or in this section of Snapchat, you have to tap on your profile option in the left upper corner. And from over here, you have to tap on the settings option right next to the share button in the right upper corner. Once you are here, you will be able to see all of your profile informations. Among them, here is username option. Simply tap on username and you will be able to see your current username. So since we are trying to change your username, you have to tap on change username option, which is right at the bottom of the username. Once you tap on that, you have to go for continue option, and here finally you can change your username. And it is said that you can only change your username once a year. So once you change your username, you won't be able to change the username for the next 1 year. So you have to know that, and by erasing this current username, you can enter the new one, and once you're done, you have to go for next and your username will be finally changed. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any confusions regarding this video, then you can comment down below. Thanks for watching.